Welcome back, Mighty Mamas. In today's video, I will be showing you how to organize your kids' art supplies in an IKEA Raskog cart. I think that's how you say it. Let's get right into it.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you.
As mamas, we all know the chaos of clutter with our kids' art supplies. Yes, I don't know how many times I have had piles on the counter, piles on the table. I try to create some kind of organization system, but there's never a follow through where my kids actually put the stuff back, or it takes me so long to even get it there. So there's just always piles of markers or coloring books or beads or Play-Doh or sand or whatever it may be. But you guys, today I'm going to share with you my solution to the chaos of clutter for my kids' art supplies. And I'm telling you, mamas, this is life-changing. It's all in the IKEA Raskog cart. That's right. This cart right here, it holds so much stuff. And this has been the solution for all my kids' arts and craft supplies. And I love the fact that it can roll right into my pantry and I could keep it down here at the main table where my kids mostly love to do their arts and crafts. This way, nobody is having to bring things back up to their bedroom or take things down. So it is so nice. Everything is stored right here in one spot and right nearby the table where they actually do all their art projects and craft projects. And then when they're finished doing their artwork, it's so simple for them to just put everything right back on the cart, and my daughter is able to wheel it back into the pantry, out of sight, out of mind, table clear, job done. I'm telling you guys, it's that simple. Every mom needs one of these carts. For the start of this video, I will be showing you how I pretty much empty out this cart because obviously it is overdue for a declutter and organization as well. My first step in my organization process is basically unloading the cart. And as I unload the cart, I will be discarding any trash or recycling any plastic pieces that are garbage. And then I will create separate piles for each individual category item. So for instance, I will create a pile for coloring books, one for drawing books, one for puzzles, one for just notebooks or spiral notebooks, one for markers, then crayons, then pencils, then, puzzles, another for educational learning tools such as flashcards or, learning games. So basically you want to empty your cart and organize all your items on a nice big surface. That's why I chose to do that here on my kitchen table. This way, when it comes time to load your cart back up and store everything away, you already have everything pretty much pre-organized. So I'm going to do this with each individual shelf. So I will just kind of run through this. You can listen to the music and watch how it all works. And then you will see just how many items this little cart can hold. And then I will come back and I will show you how I put everything back together.
Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away. Step up and say try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know. 'Cause there's a part of you that never could let go.
So now I'm getting down to the nitty gritty. As you can see, I have these white little bins. They actually hang on the side of this cart. You can purchase these at IKEA as well. I love these for holding all the markers and pencils and paintbrushes. Also, I have one that holds all of the beads because my daughter loves beading and the string and any other little odds and ends. And as you can see here, I am thoroughly going through all this, so I just emptied everything out because sometimes like old stickers or just little random things that are garbage get stuck in the bottom of these. So I definitely wanted to do a thorough cleaning here, but as you can see, they hold so much and they hang on the side of the cart. But yeah, you can get these at IKEA as well. So I love these for holding, just like I said, those little odds and ends, and makes it easily accessible for my kids to just grab and use.
I'm chasing shadows around the place. It shouldn't take long now in any case, as long as there is light. Pretending I could stay the night, one breath away. Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know.
I also like to take this opportunity to just go through the pages of coloring books and any other type of workbooks just to see like if they're used up, because half the time we are storing things that are already used up and are garbage. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I also just put anything that is educational into one binder. This way I know the binder has all the educational stuff, and usually with it being in a binder, my daughter will not, grab it, and I will just put like her coloring books and things that I don't mind her grabbing after school to sit at the table and do without my supervision. I will put that just loosely in the front section so she can see that. And then I just tuck away all the educational items in a binder so that she's not pulling that stuff out, because really that stuff is for her and I to do together. So now moving on to the second shelf, and this is where I typically store all the educational items such as flashcards, puzzles, or counting tools. And now with the second shelf, I will be just going through, making sure there's no missing puzzles or damaged puzzle pieces or damaged flashcards, and just making sure that there's nothing like loosely thrown in there, and putting everything back in their proper boxes and containers. Just being sure to make it neat and tidy for, the organization when I store everything back on the shelf.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions.
So this is a bin that I purchased a couple years back at Dollar General, and it was actually the last one, and it was only $9.99. This thing has been awesome. It stores so many different little small items. It also keeps like sharp things tucked away because it does come with a snap shut lid, but I cannot find these anymore. I bought the last one. They don't sell them anymore. And I even tried looking them up on Amazon and Walmart, and there is nothing exactly like this. Of course, you can always, look up art bin or clear art bins on any site, and they will give you a variety of different options that are also nice. But this particular bin, I cannot find again. So I'm so glad I did buy it because it really does help keep everything nice and tidy. And it comes with like all these individual trays and organizers. And it is a 2 level. So like the orange trays go on the bottom, and then this pink tray has a handle on it. You just lift it and put it right over on the top. It is super cool and super functional. And I love that it comes with a lid that locks shut, and I'm able to like keep all the sharp objects away from my little toddler Jack. My only regret is that they didn't have more that I could buy at the time, because these are so awesome. They would work for anything. I mean, like any little things that you have around your house. They would be so nice to just tuck away and keep, neatly stored and organized. And then the fact that it comes with a locked lid, I love that. If I find this again anywhere, I will definitely share the link over on my Instagram account. So if you guys are not following me yet, make sure you go over there, follow me at mighty.mama. I love sharing just my daily life over there and just all kinds of things like cleaning motivation and motherhood, but I'm always more active daily there. So if you guys want to keep up with my life, just follow me over there. And if you want to get to know me better, that is the spot.
Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad for business. Not good with consequence. I found myself back again, crying on your shoulder. No, it's not good for me, but I still want your body. So dumb, but it's not over. Not very good with decisions. Know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, then I keep on reminiscing. I know. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business.
I just want to point out that my cart is an actual IKEA Raskog cart, if that's the right way to say it. But I do know that they also sell similar carts to this over at Target and Michael's. I also want to share this super cool hack with you guys I got off Pinterest. This is a Melissa and Doug paper roll holder, but it'll work with any one you have. You can just zip tie it to the side of the cart. This way your paper is with all the rest of the supplies. I love this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it helped you to come up with ideas to organize your kids' art supplies. And if you guys end up buying those other carts from the other stores, please leave a comment below. Let me know how they worked out for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.